The dish drying rack by SNTD is a sleek and practical addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this dish rack combines functionality with a modern design aesthetic. With product dimensions of 12.91 inches in diameter, 22.63 inches in width, and 5.12 inches in height, it offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. The black color of the rack adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, making it a versatile and stylish choice for any home. The countertop mount design ensures easy access and convenience while saving valuable counter space. One of the standout features of this dish drying rack is its space-saving design. It is expandable and adjustable, providing flexibility to accommodate different kitchen layouts and needs. The rack weighs 4 pounds, striking a balance between sturdiness and portability. Manufactured by SNTD, a reputable brand known for quality kitchen products, this dish drying rack is designed for storage and kitchen.
The Beeland dish drying rack is a reliable and efficient kitchen, essential for keeping your dishware organized and dry. Made of durable metal, this dish drying rack by Beeland is designed to last and withstand daily use. With product dimensions of 12.5D, 16.5W, 12.5H, it provides ample space for storing dishes, utensils, and glassware. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. This countertop mount rack is easy to set up and offers automatic drainage, making it convenient for everyday use. Weighing 4.7 pounds, it strikes the right balance between sturdiness and portability. The Beeland dish drying rack model BLD 107 has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars based on 1,111 ratings. Its popularity is also reflected in its ranking as #3092 in kitchen and dining and #52 in dish racks. Overall, the Beeland dish drying rack is a practical and stylish solution for organizing your dishware efficiently, making it a must.
Snail House Roll-Up Dish Drying rack by Snail House is a sleek and efficient addition to any kitchen. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this dish drying rack is designed for durability and longevity. With product dimensions of 17.72 inches in diameter, 15.75 inches in width, and 0.3 inches in height, it provides ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. This roll-up drying rack, in a sophisticated gold color, is versatile and can be used as a dish drainer for kitchen storage, and more. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store when not in use. The special features of being lightweight and premium quality set it apart from other drying racks in the market. The Snail House Roll-Up Dish drying rack can be mounted over the sink or directly on the sink, offering flexibility based on your kitchen setup. Weighing only 10.5 ounces, this rack is easy to handle yet sturdy enough to hold your wet dishes securely. Manufactured by Snail House, this drying rack.
The Sink Dish Drying Rack by Gaokesi is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. With product dimensions of 10 inches, 33.5 inches, 31.8 inches, and weighing 10.43 pounds, this dish rack offers ample space for drying dishes, utensils, and more. The two-tier design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for small kitchens or homes with limited counter space. Manufactured by Gaokesi, this dish drying rack is designed for durability and functionality. The ASIN for this product is B0CPHQQ2IT, and the item model number is over Sink Dish Rack 2-tier. With a customer rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars based on 66 ratings, it has received positive feedback from users. This dish drying rack is ranked as #47, 173 in kitchen and dining and #503 in dish racks, showcasing its popularity among customers. It was first made available on December 5, 2023, ensuring that it incorporates the latest design and functionality features. Overall, the large over-the-sink dish drying rack.
Dish drying rack for kitchen counter by SNTD offers a convenient solution for drying your dishes effectively while saving space in your kitchen. Made of durable stainless steel, this rack is built to last and can withstand everyday use. With dimensions of 11.8 inches in diameter, 16.7 inches in width, and 5.7 inches in height, this drying rack provides ample space for your dishes to dry without taking up too much space on your countertop. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. This multi-purpose rack is suitable for use in the kitchen for drying dishes, but can also serve other purposes. It can be easily mounted either on the sink or on a tabletop, giving you flexibility in where you place it. The rack weighs 3 pounds and has a weight limit of 10 pounds, maki.